Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Ryu in Street Fighter 6 using modern controls. Modern controls streamline your gameplay, making it easier to execute powerful moves. You'll find that special attacks, like the Hadouken, are just a single button press away. We'll cover the core mechanics, including auto combos and essential defensive techniques. This setup allows you to focus more on strategy and less on complex inputs, making Ryu accessible to everyone. Let's dive into Ryu's essential special moves with modern controls. The iconic Hadouken, his fireball, is now a simple press of the special move button. For an effective anti-air, the Shoryuken is equally straightforward, requiring just one button. His Tatsumaki Senpukyaku, or Hurricane Kick, is also a breeze to perform. Remember to utilize Denjin Charge to power up your Hadouken, increasing its damage and stun potential significantly. These simplified inputs let you react quickly in battle. Mastering auto combos and the drive system is crucial for Ryu. The light auto combo delivers 3 quick hits, finishing with a special move for consistent damage. The medium auto combo extends to 4 hits, often leading into a powerful super art. For defense and offense, Drive Impact is a game changer. It absorbs 2 hits and can wall splat your opponent. Drive Parry is excellent for blocking attacks and replenishing your drive gauge, offering a strong defensive option. Ryu's super arts are devastating finishers. His level 1 super art is a powerful Shoryuken, perfect for punishing airborne opponents. The level 2 super art unleashes a multi-hit Tatsumaki attack, covering good ground. His ultimate, the level 3 super art, is the Shin Shoryuken, delivering immense damage up close. With modern controls, executing these is much simpler. Focus on controlling the space with Hadoukens and capitalizing on your opponent's openings for maximum impact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.